Hello YouTube, welcome to another review. This time I bought a cable from GearBest. This is a cable for recharging smartphones, iOS compatible and Android compatible. This cable, it's a flat cable, as you can see. It has a 2.1 amps output and it's 1.2 meters long. So this is a nice cable, nice quality, nice rubber. As you can see, it has on this side, it's for Android devices. If you connected this side down, it's for iOS devices. So very nice cable, very cheap cable. I've bought this, as I've told you, from GearBest. I'm gonna be leaving the link on the description box below for you to check out the prices and the specifications. It came in this bag, very simple. It allows us to do rapid charging to our devices and very high performance transmission. So I hope you like this little unboxing, and I will see you on the next video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up, a thumbs down, sorry, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.